Hi everyone, I'm Kuri. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you how to carve this spooky pumpkin. It is super easy to do and it will look great on Halloween night. Let's get started. You will need a medium pumpkin. Shape and remove the lid of the pumpkin, cutting in a 45-degree angle. The pumpkin surface is very hard. Insert and remove the knife carefully so you don't cut yourself. While cutting, make a notch so the lid can be aligned and placed back on the pumpkin without it falling through. Remove the lid carefully and start cleaning out the insides of the pumpkin. Using your hands, remove as much of the seeds and pumpkin guts as possible. Using a knife, trim the underside of the pumpkin where the lid of the pumpkin sits. Now we will use a pumpkin scraper or a big spoon. Scrape the pumpkin walls to remove any remaining seeds and strings until it's completely clean. Choose the more even and flatter side of the pumpkin to place your design on. Thin the walls on this side. The thickness should be about ½ inch. Choose and cut a template to carve the pumpkin. For better results, secure the stencil with tape and outline the borders with a marker. Online, you will be able to find different designs of all kinds and skill levels. Choose the one you like the best. When outlining the template, be as precise as possible so your cuts are easier and even. When you're done outlining, remove all the tape to start carving the pumpkin. Now we will use a pumpkin carving knife or a very thin knife. Start carving the pumpkin, cutting on the outside edge of the line in each piece. To remove a piece, push it from the back very carefully. Keep carving the rest of the pieces. Move the pumpkin around as needed so you can carve more comfortably. If you're liking this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. When you're carving big or complicated pieces, divide the cut into smaller pieces at a time so they don't break. If you need a support point, use the side of the pumpkin. When you encounter complicated and delicate cuts, support the inside wall of the pumpkin to avoid breaking. Finally, clean up the cut lines with the pumpkin knife. To give the pumpkin a spooky effect, place a container with water inside of the pumpkin. You will also need a candle on the inside. For the next step, we will need to use safety gloves and goggles. Please do not avoid this step, it is very important. Now you will need dry ice. Using tongs, place the dry ice in the center of the container with water. Use a lot of dry ice chunks to intensify the spooky effect. Don't forget to put the lid on so the vapor only has one way out. And it is ready! Look how spooky and scary it is now. The vapor from the dry ice definitely gives it a very special effect, perfect for Halloween night. That was all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe and share it with all your friends. See you in the next video. Bye!